What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm about to tell you all what's new for the 2024 GR Corolla. So as I have here, I got a 23 GR Corolla, and this is the core model, but I got a couple upgrades and I got a circuit edition spoiler on the back. But I'm about to tell you all what's going to be the differences between the 23 and the 24. So not a whole lot has changed, but there are some differences. So if you're searching for one of these used, you can discern which one you want to get. If you want to wait for a 24, or if you see one of these available on the used market, you can scoop up one of these. So before I begin today's video, I'd like to give a shout out to the men of culture. That's the Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1 Elite, and Hunter Gang Nate. So shout out to those guys. And if you're looking for a jacket like this, got the varsity jacket from Race Car Friends. Check it out, racecarfriends.com. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. What I have here is a 2023 GR Corolla Core Edition, and mine is fully loaded. You see I got the performance pack denoted by the red brake calipers. Performance pack on these give you front and rear limited slip differentials. 4 pistons in the front, 2 pistons in the back. I did a roof wrap myself, got the mud flaps on here, and I got the circuit edition spoiler, but this is fully loaded. So I got the premium package on here as well. So I got the JBL audio, and I got heated steering wheel, heated seats, and wireless charger. And that's about it for this. So I got a fully loaded core edition. So 2024, things have been shaken up just a little bit as I avoid these goose turds in this parking lot. But for 2024, the biggest change is the Marizo edition that was only limited to 200 for the 2023 model year. Gone. So if you didn't get one of those, you ain't gonna get one of those. And looking at the used car prices of those, it's a wrap on that unless you want to pay 70, 80K on them. But it's basically one of these, just more hardcore. 4-door with 2 seats in it. So if you didn't get one of those, then you got to pay that markup in the used market. So after hand, that's the way to get it. And the second change is going to be for the circuit edition. So now the circuit edition is going to be the top dog, and the circuit edition was supposed to be limited to like 2,000 for the first model year, which was 2023, and then that was going to be it. But I guess since things were coming out slow, I don't even know if they built that many in the first model year. They're extending that for an extra year. So 2024, the circuit edition is back as well. And the difference between that, the main thing, you get vents on the hood scoop, get like a GR on the intercooler down there, or a GR4 on the intercooler that you can see in the grill. You get the carbon roof on there and that sweet spoiler that sticks out the back. But that's the main difference. So now that's gonna be the king of the GR Corollas. So the 2024, as I mentioned, I got the core edition. So the 2024 core, that one's going to be a little bit different. So the core is the poverty spec version of the GR Corolla, and they really made it a poverty spec now. Because you see on mine, I got mine fully loaded. I got the technology package and the performance package. So these start at $36,100 before destination. And now the core, you can only get the performance pack. So all you can get is the wheel, so you can't get the technology package with the wireless charging, the JBL audio, heated seats, and steering wheel. So that's gone. So now you got a true poverty spec in here. It also comes with the puny spoiler as well. Now we have a new trim. It's going to slide between the core and the circuit edition. So we got a premium trim, and that's going to shake things up. But the premium trim is not a whole lot new. I essentially have a premium trim. My 23 is basically spec'd out like the 24 premium trim, and this gets no options at all. So in the colors for the core, you get red, white, and black. So for the premium, it's more of the same. You get red, white, and black. So the premium comes standard with the performance pack and the technology package. So they just call it the premium package. And I think the only other thing that you do get is parking sensors. I don't know if the circuit edition gets parking sensors, but my car definitely doesn't have parking sensors. I haven't noticed if it does, but I seriously doubt it. I don't see anything in the bumper, so I doubt that I have parking sensors. That's going to be new for the premium trim. Otherwise, my car is essentially a premium trim. Instead of cloth like I have on my core, you're going to get some suede line, or it's going to be suede in these. I don't got the actual seat, so it's going to be suede in here somewhere. Now, the new king of the hill, we got the circuit edition. So that thing is going to come in at $44,970. And the circuit edition now, it's got a new color called Blue Flame. hey, Ford, talk to them, because they got a blue flame as well. But that's going to look like your Grabber Blue at Ford or Rapid Blue at Chevy. So, I don't know. Toyota doing a lot of Ford copying over here. But that's going to be the new color, and it comes with some things that I'll get to later. And from what I've seen on the website, I built one. You can only get it in 2 colors if that's what the website says is true. So I saw the blue flame and the ice cap. And the Circuit Edition is going to come with that carbon fiber roof. So I don't know if... So 2023 Circuit Editions, they came in red, black, white, boring colors, and then gray. Wow. So the gray was like a color specific to the Circuit Edition. So it was like in the video where I took delivery of this, it was a gray one in there for the Circuit Edition. So those are the colors. Now we got blue flame. I don't know if the website needs to be updated, but I don't see how they could just bring 2 colors, white and blue, for the Circuit Edition. Maybe that's going to be it. I don't know. But that's what I saw just playing around on the build. As I said, the Morizo Edition is gone but not forgotten, because the new Circuit Edition is going to take those 18-inch BBSs from the Circuit Edition, boom, throw them on there. So now you got that lightweight wheel, the BBSs, so it's going to be less rotational mass, so that car is going to be able to perform even better, because you're taking away weight at the corners, and that's substantial when it comes to weight savings. As not seen on my car, with the new Circuit Edition, you're going to get blue stitching. It's going to be on, I guess it's going to be all blue stitching, the steering wheel, the shifters, and the stitchings in the seat. So that's going to be new for the GR Circuit Edition as well. So they made a few mechanical tweaks to the car this year. So that's going to include the new steering gear, rear suspension, the battery ground, as well as updates to the addition of aluminum sheets to the front and rear bumpers to affect airflow. So that's not substantial, but it's welcome. So another thing that I did see from the press release, that GR Performance is going to be allowing for more customization. So we're going to get custom parts for these cars. We're going to add performance lowering springs, performance shocks, and they also got the rear sport wing on there as well. That's from the Circuit Edition. So that's a warm welcome for those. Those are greatly appreciated, because cars like these, you like to customize them, and you can see myself already customize mine already, just because, I don't know, it's such a good platform to customize. It's going to be great fun to drive, because I'm out here in the coat now, so we're about to be having some fun really, really soon once that snow hits. And I got to get some tires as well. Can't be riding around with summers in the wintertime. So with these upgrades, the price isn't going to increase that much. So on the Poverty Spec Core model, it's only going to be a $200 increase. And if you look at a lot of cars, the prices jump up a lot year over year. So it's good to hear that they're not increasing the price for these upgrades, if you want to call them upgrades. I think the sweet spot is going to be that premium trim, essentially what I got, unless you don't need heated seats or better audio, because like I said, the JBL isn't that great. But if it's, I don't know, these base model radios be like terrible, and this isn't the greatest, but I guess it's better than nothing. But I accept what it is. So other than that, it's going to be the same great recipe, lightweight, all-wheel drive, tossable, fun, tons of character. Like, I really enjoyed driving this car. I hope you all can get your hands on one as well if you're looking for one of these, because the dealerships haven't been too kind to getting these out to the customers at a fair price, that is. Markups galore on these. I'm seeing people saying they're paying like $50,000, and that's, a lot, especially for a Corolla, because it's still got a cheap interior, but the performance, like, I ignore all that, because I know at the end of the day, it's just a Corolla. But it's more than just a Corolla. It's a performance car, and it is so great at being a performance car, man. Have a ton of fun in here. So, like I said, I love the character, the sounds that it makes. The shifter is engaging, the clutch pedal is good, and it's just a good car. Let me know what you think about the updates to the 2024 model year GR Corolla. Like, they're almost the same, but for me, I would get the newer one if I could, but if not, the 23 is still a great option as well. It's just going to be called, you're going to have different trims. Sucks that no one can get the Morizo edition again. I haven't seen one of those ever in public. I actually only seen like 2 of these, one other than mine, but these are, when you see one, it's a sight to see, because I never see these. I'm like the only one that I know. What I'm most looking forward to is seeing what they're going to do with the customization. So I like to doll my car up, make it look aesthetically pleasing. So I normally do my appearance mods first before I do performance. And this car really doesn't need much in the performance category, because it's out the box a great car. It's really well for what it is. I don't see what I would do performance-wise. A tune, which would void my warranty. Do I want that? I don't know. But we'll come to that bridge at a later date. But I do know that I want the ECUs to let you get the rear end to slide out more. hopefully they can allow some form of tuning and retweaks with that, because I want some that I need to slide a little bit, so I like to have fun that way. But let me know what you guys think. That's all I got for you in today's video. If you got a question, let me know. Drop a comment down below. That being said, don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.